Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting your vertical clip ready and opening the YouTube app. Make sure the video is under 60 seconds and framed 9:16. Once the app is open, tap the plus button and select Create a Short or Upload. This puts you directly into the short workflow. If you need to record live, allow camera and microphone access, then record in segments. If uploading, choose your trimmed file. This step sets file, orientation, and basics so the rest of the upload runs smoothly. Once you have the clip in the editor, trim to the punchiest 160 seconds, add music, captions, and text overlays to increase retention. Make sure text is readable in portrait. Then move to details. Write a concise title that includes keywords, add a short description, and include hashtags like #shorts to help discovery. Make sure to set visibility, public, unlisted, or private, and use scheduling if you want a timed release. These choices affect who sees the short and when. You finalize by tapping Upload or Publish and then watch the processing stage. Processing can take a few minutes depending on network and length. After publishing, monitor early engagement and analytics over 24 to 72 hours to see how retention and click-through perform, because that informs your next short. If the upload fails, retry on a stable Wi-Fi, clear the app cache, or re-export the video with a different codec. Doing that usually fixes corrupted file or upload errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.